Hello guys, today I have brought one more problem from Putnam which was asked in 1939, which was the problem A1. Before describing the question, I would like to share that this question uses some integration and derivation as well, because it's all already you can see that its question contains gradient, which is obviously something part of differential calculus, and also we are going to find length, so we are going to use integral calculus as well. So let's start this question. Let C be the curve. The question says that let C be the curve y square equals to x cube, where x was non-negative all real numbers, non-negative real numbers. It said that let O be the origin, that is 0 comma 0, and A be a point such that gradient at A is 1. Then we had to find the length of curve. The point to be noted is length of curve was being asked, length of curve OA. So let's start the solution. And before starting the solution, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed for more such videos, and like and share this video if you like my solution, and then comment your valuable suggestions and also some quite intuitive or some brilliant approach if you get. So let's start our solution. First of all, we are going to solve for gradient at A, because obviously I am going to draw its curve first. So let's draw. Because it has been defined for x greater than or equal to 0, that's why I'm already only drawing first quadrant, x and y. Obviously y square equals to x cube, that means I can say that y equals to x raised to power 3 by 2. So I will draw a graph something like this. Obviously this is O, and let call this point as A. Let the coordinates over here is x1 comma y1. Now derivative at A, because gradient at A is 1, so I can say that dy by dx at x equals to x1 and y equals to y1 is going to be 1. So let's evaluate derivative dy by dx from this given equation. So let's differentiate this. What I will get, 2y dy by dx equals to 3x square. Dy by dx equals to 3x square by 2y. Now clearly we can substitute x equals to x1 and y equals to y1. So I will get 3x1 square by 2y1 equals to 1, or 2y1 equals to 3x1 square. Also, because x1 and comma y1 satisfies this equation, so I can get one more relation, which is x1 cube equals to y1 square. So let's square this equation both sides. Then what I'll get, 4 y1 square equals to 9 x1 raised to power 4. 4 y1 square can be written as x1 cube equals to 9 x1 raised to power 4. Now let's take x1 cube as common, and let's take this in RHS. Then what I will get, 9x1 minus 4 equals to 0. Obviously we are not going to take x1 equals to 0, because we are not supposed that A is origin. So x1 cannot be 0, therefore 9x1 minus 4 must be 0, or x1 equals to 4 by 9. Since we have got x1 equals to 4 by 9, from this equation we can easily find that y equals to 8 by 27. So we have got the coordinates of A, and let's write here 4 by 9 comma it's 8 by 27, and this is obviously 0 comma 0. Just get now our task was to find the length of this curve. We just not had to find that what is the distance between OA, but we had to find the length of this curve. So for that, what I thought was something concept which we involved during physics, something like that. So what I did, that I took a small segment here whose length was dl, and I broke into components like this, and I call it as a small segment in the x direction, and this as a small segment in y direction. Now dl can be written in terms of this, because it is very small, so I can assume that it is approximately a right angle triangle, and this length is dx and this length is dy and this is dl. So I can write dl equals to dx square plus dy square whole square root from the Pythagoras theorem. Now let's take dx as common, then what I will get? 1 plus dy by dx ka whole square root, then dx. This is dl. Now just we have to substitute dy by dx here. And what was dy by dx? Dy by dx was 3x square by 2y. So let's substitute. dl equals to 1 plus dy by dx is this. So I'm going to square this 9x over 4 by 4y square whole square root and then dx. Then dl equals to square root of 1 plus y square can be written as x cube from the given equation. So 9x over 4 by 4x cube dx. X cube and will cancel out, then what will be left with? 1 plus 9x by 4 then dx dl. So what now I'm going to do is, first of all I will write it neatly. 1 plus 9x by 4 whole raised power 1 by 2 dx, and integrate it over, because the variable is only in terms of x and the x varies from 0 to 4 by 9. So just we are supposed that integration of from 0 to 4 by 9 and we will get the required length. So L equals to, because this is 1 plus 9x by 4 whole raised by 1 by 2, so simply we can apply the formula of integration, that is we can get 1 plus 9x by 4 whole raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, and here also 3 by 2, multiply the coefficient of x, that is 9 by 4, and we will apply the limits as well. Now clearly we can see that it is 8 by 27, because 9 is 27 and 4 is 8, and it will get up 8 by 27, then 1 plus 9x by 4 whole raised by 3 by 2 0 4 by 9. When you will substitute 4 by 9 and minus times, when you will substitute 0, you will get something, because it's mere calculation which I hope that you all can do. When I am going to substitute 4 by 9, this will cancel out, then 2, then raised by 3, then we will get 2 root 2, then minus 1. So this is the required length of the curve from O to A. Hope you enjoyed the solution and also understood what was the fundamental concept which I thought for this question. I liked it very much. Hope you also liked the solution. So if you like the solution, then please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.